In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit multiple Excel worksheets at the same time. This is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time, especially when you need the same changes across multiple sheets in the same workbook. Instead of copying and repeating worksheet by sheet, you can edit them together as a group. First, take a look at the bottom of your Excel window where the sheet tabs are located. Each tab represents a different worksheet. Now, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While Control is held down, click the target sheet tabs that you want to edit together. As you click each tab, watch for the tabs to highlight or become selected as a group. This selection is what tells Excel that your upcoming edits should apply to more than one worksheet. Once you have selected all of the sheets you want, you can release the Control key. At this point, the most important thing to notice is that the highlighted tabs should remain selected together. That group selection is the signal that Excel is ready to mirror your edits across every worksheet in that selection. If you ever lose the selection or accidentally click something else, your changes will only apply to the active sheet, so keeping the tabs highlighted is key. Next, move your attention to the worksheet area itself. Notice that there is one sheet that is considered the active one, which is usually shown by the way it displays in front of the other selected sheets. Now, without changing the selection, type anything into a cell on your current active sheet. This can be a number, a word, or even a short label. The goal here is simply to perform a small edit that demonstrates the effect across the selected worksheets. When you type into the cell, pay attention to what happens immediately after you confirm the entry. In Excel, the moment you make that change in the active sheet, Excel duplicates the changes automatically across every selected sheet in the group. You may see the same text or number appear in the corresponding cell locations on the other selected worksheets. This happens instantly, so you do not need to copy and paste. It is built into the multi-sheet editing mode you enabled by selecting the tabs together. Meron and uradtald endamel de multi-sheet editing mode, you enabled by selecting the tabs together. Muyaz, after you have typed your change, you can continue making updates as needed. For example, you can edit other cells on that same sheet, and Excel will apply those edits across the entire selected group. This is especially useful when you are setting up repeated headers, applying the same formatting pattern, entering shared data templates, or adjusting formulas that should match across multiple sheets. If you want to verify that everything is working correctly, you can click one of the other highlighted tabs and check that the same values or updates are present there as well. Because the tabs are still grouped, your edits should carry over consistently. If you decide you are finished editing multiple worksheets at once, you can then click back to just one sheet, which will return you to normal single-sheet editing. To recap what you just did, you held Control and selected multiple sheet tabs at the bottom, released Control once the entire set of sheets was highlighted together, and then typed into any cell on your active sheet. The key result is that Excel duplicates the changes automatically across every selected sheet in the group, saving you from repeating the same work manually. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.